Hello everyone, welcome back to the Brand Investigation YouTube channel. Today we are going to review the topic 32GB DDR5 RAM desktop. Amazon flash sale is here. Get up to 40% discount on electronic products. Let's discuss which is the best 32GB DDR5 RAM, what are the main things to consider when purchasing, how to buy the best and where to buy from. If you buy the low price RAM, you may experience the slow speed level, average build quality, no corrosion resistance. Let's see which are the top 4 best selling brands in 32GB DDR5 RAM. First one is the G.Skill 32GB DDR5 RAM desktop. It is having 6000 MHz. There are total 83% of people have given 5-star ratings on this product. All in all, it is having 357 ratings on this product. The price of the product is 10,165 rupees only. Let's check out the reviews on this product. There are majorly positive reviews given on this product. The second brand is CROSSAIR 32GB DDR5 RAM desktop. It is having 5200 MHz. There are total 83% of people have given 5-star ratings on this product. There are all in all 549 ratings on this product. The price of the product is 15,334 rupees only. The third brand is Patriotic 32GB DDR5 RAM desktop. It is having 6000 MHz. There are total 77% of people have given 5-star ratings on this product. There are all in all 8485 ratings on this product. Let's check out the reviews on this product. There are majorly positive reviews given on this product. The fourth brand is Crucial 32GB DDR5 RAM desktop. It is having 5200 MHz. There are total 100% of people have given 5-star ratings on this product and the price of the product is 9617 rupees only. Let's compare these branded products. Discussing on the memory size, G.Skill, CROSSAIR, Patriotic, Crucial all are having 32GB memory size. Talking on the memory type, G.Skill, CROSSAIR, Patriotic, Crucial all are having DDR5 memory type. Talking on the memory speed, G.Skill is 6000 MHz, CROSSAIR is 5200 MHz, Patriotic is 6000 MHz and Crucial is having 5200 MHz. Discussing on the latency, G.Skill is 36, CROSSAIR is 40, Patriotic is 36 and Crucial is 42. Talking on the used for part, G.Skill, CROSSAIR, Patriotic, Crucial are all used for desktop purpose. Talking on the user experience, G.Skill is excellent, CROSSAIR is good, Patriotic is excellent and Crucial is good. Talking on the warranty part, G.Skill is having 5 years of warranty, CROSSAIR is having limited warranty, Patriot is having limited warranty and Crucial is having 5 years of warranty. Let's discuss the common things included in these brands are, they have the 288 pins desktop memory kit, they are the most selling brand in online, it runs up faster and multitask with ease, they have blazing speed at 4000 MHz, 1.5x faster than DDR4, it is best for gaming and editing, it is having XMP 3.0 support. Let's discuss the ratings given by the brand investigation. G.Skill is having the rating of 4.5 stars, CROSSAIR is having the rating of 4 stars, Patriotic is having the rating of 4.5 stars, Crucial is having the rating of 4 stars. To know more in detail about these branded products and their exact price ranging model, we have given you a link in the description. Don't forget to check out those links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching.